In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact from your Mailerlite subscriber list. We'll walk through the full process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what each option actually does. By the end, you'll feel confident removing any subscriber you no longer want on your list. First, log into your Mailerlite account and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You're looking for the subscribers section. It's usually labeled clearly and has a small person icon next to it. Go ahead and click on subscribers. This is where all of your contacts live, and it's the place you'll always come back to when you want to manage your email list. Once you're in the subscribers area, you'll need to find the specific person or people you want to remove. At the top, you should see a search bar. You can type in an email address, a name, or other details to quickly narrow things down. If you have a larger list, you can also use filters like groups, segments, or custom fields. This is especially helpful if you want to clean up a particular segment. For example, people who haven't opened your emails in a long time. After you've located the subscriber, you have a couple of ways to delete them. If you're removing a single contact or several at once from the list view, look for the checkbox next to each subscriber's name. Click that box to select them. You can select one contact or multiple contacts if you're doing a quick cleanup. If you're working inside an individual subscriber's profile instead, look toward the top right of that profile page for the Actions button. Click on Actions to open a drop-down menu. In that drop-down, you'll see options like Delete and Forget. Delete will remove the subscriber from your list, but may keep some anonymized data for reporting. Forget is designed for strict privacy regulations like GDPR and will completely remove their personal data from your account. Only use Forget when you're sure you need full removal for compliance reasons. Once you've chosen Delete or Forget, Mailerlite will show a warning message to make sure you really want to continue. Take a second to double-check that you've selected the correct contact or contacts. When you're ready, click the red Delete button to finalize the action. And that's it. You've successfully removed the contact from your Mailerlite subscriber list.